Hey guys, what's up? Here to tell you a little bit about something really yummy. They are Arnold sandwich thins. I've tried them before. I've tried the whole wheat ones. They were really good, and I've tried like the honey wheat. These ones are flax and fiber. So I saw these and I was like, oh, that's interesting. It has flax seeds and fiber in them. That's good. I mean, I could always use more of both in my diet. I think that they're super convenient as opposed to like, sandwich bread, and they're less calories because they're thinner. And my mom had been buying them for a while, and now I've been purchasing them when I see them at the store, the grocery store. They're all really good, and they're, low in carb, and low in carb for bread, I should say. They are rolls, and they come with 6 pre-sliced rolls, and they are net weight 12 ounces or 340 grams. And this is what it looks like on a sandwich. They have 150 calories in a serving, 0.5 grams of saturated fat in a serving, 3% daily value, 300 milligrams sodium, 13% daily value, and 3 grams of total sugars in a serving. Let's go to the back. A little more info. So it says sandwich thins make it easy to fall in love with bread again. We've listened to you and made sandwich thin rolls even better. Crafted with pride and baked with premium ingredients like olive oil and sea salt, each bite is now more satisfying and delicious than ever. Perfectly sized and now 150 calories per roll. We love them and know you will too. Each serving of flax and fiber sandwich thins contain 28 grams of whole grains, 4 grams of fiber. Gives you some different things you could try. Cucumber avocado sandwich, try them this way. And I guess that would be the cucumber avocado sandwich. Smart label for more food information. And it tells you the Weight Watchers points here. Weight Watchers points, Smart Points plan is a simple, smart approach to weight loss. So I guess you could scan that to see a little bit more information about it and how many Weight Watchers points the bread would be. They're nice and soft. I love them in the toaster. I'm currently toasting one now to put on my veggie burger. It says Weight Watchers for services and smart points are the registered trademarks of Weight Watchers International Incorporated and are used with permission by Bimbo Bakeries USA Incorporated. Let's take a look here. The ingredients are whole wheat flour, water, yeast, sugar, wheat gluten, flaxseed, bulgur wheat, amaranth seeds, olive oil, sea salt, natural flavors, wheat bran, cellulose fiber, malt, leavening, sodium acid, pyrophosphate, baking soda, monocalcium phosphate, preservatives, calcium propionate, sorbic acid, green vinegar, monoglycerides, citric acid, cornstarch, datum, cellulose gum, xanthan gum, soy lecithin, contains wheat and soy. Distributed by Bimbo Bakeries USA Incorporated in Horsham, Pennsylvania 19044. Website is www.arnoldbread.com. Copyright all rights reserved. Arnold is a registered trademark of Arnold Sales Company LLC, used with permission. Our bakery products retain their best quality if stored at room temperature. For best results, please use by date on package. We are committed to providing you with quality products and welcome your questions and comments. Call 1-800-984-0989, Consumer Relations Department. When writing, please include the proof of purchase barcode and stamped date code. Now let's see the other nutrition facts here. Okay, 6 servings per container, 150 calories, 2.5 grams of total fat. Saturated fat 0.5 grams, trans fat 0 grams, polyunsaturated fat 1 gram, monounsaturated fat 1 gram, cholesterol 0, 300 milligrams of sodium, 27 grams of carbohydrates, 10% daily value of that. Dietary fiber 4 grams, total sugars 3 grams, includes 2 grams added sugars, protein 6 grams. Vitamin D 0, calcium 80 milligrams, iron 1.3 milligrams, and potassium 140 milligrams. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what they look like. Okay, so, and it has this little symbol here, 28 grams or more per serving of whole grains, 848 grams or more of whole grain daily. Oh, they're 4 smart points, Weight Watchers points per serving. Okay, now let's take a little look at them. This is a toasted one, and this is an untoasted roll. You can see the little flax seeds in there, nice and toasty and crispy. Those are the flax seeds right there. So I guess that's actually the top. So I hope you guys try out these delicious pre-sliced rolls, Arnold sandwich thins, flax and fiber, and I hope you guys love them. Thanks so much for watching the video.